Yo, this perplexing scenario right here familiar to any of y'all asses out in fucking audience internet land? Where's my water? Well, you're doing it wrong. Yo, this ain't no theory. You see, here's how the magic happens. See them crazy shits to the left and right of the water honker? Turn one of them shits. Don't think it matters which one. And voila, suddenly that tap is where it's at. That's all there is, man. Except I don't know how to stop it.
I says I don't know how to stop the fucking...
Why won't it stop? I think I'm losing myself. I think if I close my eyes, new eyes will open.